Hey everybody, Rich Noto here, Florida licensed realtor, Florida licensed home inspector in Notary Public. I'm at Hammock Reserve, and this is Dreamfinder's Homes, the Mulberry. Let's go inside and let's go inside and have a look. Alright, so the Mulberry. Oh, I like this Yoda. I'm going to go in here first. Excellent Star Wars room. I like the color too. I like the gray on the wall, the accent wall. Very nice. Excellent. Got some planets over here. And when you first walk into the right, this is the first bedroom. And you got a full bathroom in between the two bedrooms. And I'm going to continue straight because I see, this is interesting. Here's the half bathroom. Half bathroom and, oh, very nice. Your kitchen. And your living room. And here's your pantry. And here's the floor plan for the Mulberry. (1,938 square feet). And here's your lanai. Yeah, this is nice. I like this because I like that this living room is a little bit sectioned off. So you have to walk in, from your kitchen, and it's, even though it's, attached to the same room, it's still kind of just like sectioned off, which I think makes this nice. And here's the master bedroom. Please don't hesitate to contact me with any questions, or if you're interested in purchasing or selling a house. I do represent you as a home buyer's agent, or of course a seller's agent if you're selling your house. And I have no pressure sales. And again, I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer's agent, which is always very different than when you walk into a home builder alone. The sales associates, they do represent the builder. Excellent bathroom. I like this. I like how it's shaped, how it kind of bends. I got to show you the floor. When you first walk in, you come in, and then it bends. Oh, wow, what a big closet. Jeez. Just a really big closet. And this is one of those closets where if you did have a small child that, and when I'm talking about a small child, like, a small bed or like a crib, you could easily put the crib in here if you need that child to be close to you at night. With a closet that's this big, because it's kind of like a small room. Let's see what we have over here. There's the toilet and the closet. Nothing exciting there. What I do like is that there's a sink here, and then of course the cabinets underneath it. And then there's a nice large sink over there, so two people could very easily get ready in this. without any issues. And again, your living room, your dining room, and your kitchen. Half bath is off to the right. Okay, so again, so this is the laundry room. And oh, here's your AC. I thought it was the AC room, HVAC. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. And here's the last bedroom in the house. And it's definitely a good sized bedroom. It's a large one at that because, you know, typically whenever builders start putting chairs in rooms, and I get it, you know, there's just a little baby crib in here, but typically when they put chairs in, you have a larger room. I'm gonna peek in this closet. Oh, it's a big closet. Wow, it goes the whole length of the wall. I don't think I'll be able to really get that, but you can see the whole length of the wall. It's one huge closet. I do appreciate everyone that stopped by to watch us, and thank you to my current and past customers. I do appreciate you. And have yourselves a fantastic day. Just going to show you the pool over here as well at Hammock Reserve. Box. I do have a video that I did a while ago, which is a driving video. You can check that out as well. Check out my website, richnotohomes.com or wintergardennew.com. You can see over here we got a big pool. Got a big pool. Go over the pool. That's just to go over the fence. And this over here, you got like I believe it's a dog park and a playground back here. I don't feel like walking. It looks like it's gonna start raining or lightning pretty badly right here. So that's it for me. Now, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm No Pressure Sales, and I do work for you and represent you as a home buyer. I do not work for any home builders or represent them. They always work for the builder. And what I mean by they is the salespeople, the sales teams that work at the builders. Now, when you contact me first before heading over to the builder, you won't void your free representation, okay? Now, the home builders everywhere do pay for it, but many of them have certain rules and regulations where your realtor needs to be the one to enter the office with you, or even sometimes if you email or call builders, that can void your free realtor representation. Now, one of the great things about calling me first as well is that I like to work with the sales associates that are the best at the builders, the ones that have really good knowledge of the place and also are very low pressure, nice to work with. That's super important. The other thing in the process is, you know, your money. You always want to keep your money safe. Many times home buyers call me after the fact. They contact me when it's too late. They're in a contract and they have problems, and now they're trying to get help from me. And many times they've seen my videos, which they openly tell me, you know, they've seen my videos and then they end up telling me, you know what, you were 100% correct. I wish I contacted you. Now I'm in this situation. So contact me first. Let's have a nice process of finding you a home, a safe process where, you know, your money, everything that you do with your money, when you put it down, everything's done correctly. And then after you're in contract, let's make sure that your home is also assembled correctly. A home that isn't assembled correctly and is built poorly, that's not something that you want. So for me, for my home buyers, those are my concerns. I want you to have a nice experience in the beginning. I want you to have the best sales associates where possible. I want you to have a nice process going into the contract. Everything is done safe. And then after that is the home building process. So there's going to be several things along the way that I'm going to do to help you in that. So, don't miss out on it. For you don't pay for the service. You're not going to miss out on any incentives or lose them because you use my service at a builder. The only thing that you will do is you'll miss out on everything that I offer you in the process, because home builders do not reduce the price of a home because you pass on using a realtor. It just doesn't work that way. And many times you end up with the best deals because I'm there with you and I'm able to ask the right questions, okay? Asking the right questions and knowing what to say and how the deals work is super important. So don't be shy. Give me a call, email, or text. Thank you.